cannot be no more than 15 minutes long. It can be 15 minutes long, but then we gotta cut it because YouTube. I'm not gonna go over many bumps. Hey, words need to be switched out. I've driven this thing with one hand before. Not that I'm going to do it, but that I have. We go like this. If I were a midget, this is how I'd be filming. GoPro midget style. I don't know what he's thinking about. We're going that way. I mean, I'm going this way. I do this all the time. It's safe. Do not let go. There's a reason I'm going so slow. It's because I do not want the camera to fall off. So yeah, bear with it. I'm going 360 maneuver. I don't think of it as that. Won't go up. You see that crazy thing? It's going uphill. No, I'm not going uphill. But I will go around just so you can see him, Dad. We gotta talk this YouTube video and we'll go for commentary. Don't go for laughs, go for commentary. That's how you hit him good. Come right up the fans. Go that way and around. I think we done stole a motocross track. Dad, could you raise it up a little bit? Yeah, I'd say that's perfect, right? It doesn't fall, so I was holding on to it as well. Keep going! You know, the thing we done stole motocross track. By the end of this, we'll call it motocross race. I mean, oh, that's I hope they do not hear that over the loud weather. Go back to the house.